Hey, look, we're back, and so today I thought, you know what, he makes a big deal. Oh, I make cocktails, I'm so good at it. I'm going to show you how to make the best cocktail ever.
It's not Freaky Friday.
It's Freaky Friday, yay! See, I do stuff. Now, this is so easy. You only need 2 things, or maybe 4 things. All you need is vodka, a glass, what's that called?
Watermelon.
Watermelon. I was a bit confused, I was going to say pineapple. And ice. So you don't need fancy bowls.
And a blender.
Oh, and a blender.
And a knife.
And I said a knife, did I?
Knife.
Hey, mind your business. See, it's easy, you don't need special treasures.
Oh, this is just so fast, isn't it?
Chip in some ice. Yep. Big knife. Yep.
You're a bit lethal.
Nice, lots of nice watermelon. See, I could do all this, not having to have it specially prepared earlier.
You're going to cut your fingers.
I've never done it yet. Yeah. A little bit more watermelon. Like that. Now the secret is cheap, nasty vodka.
Oh my god, how much are you putting in?
And lots of it. Maybe a bit more.
You've poured 3/4 of a bottle in there.
Hey, I don't judge you. Don't.
Oh, this will be interesting to see. Follow the arrows.
Where's the arrow? Oh, there it is, yeah. And then cover your ears, everybody. Or you can... Oh, I hate that one. Just blend the shit out of it. I hate it. It gives me errors. I don't want an error.
You turned it off.
Just kill it.
You don't need to take the lid off. Just twist.
That's the hardest bit.
Just twist.
Oh, okay. Ooh.
Where's your garnish? Oh.
No, I've got it.
Where?
Here.
No. You gotta have a strawberry.
Look. It's nice. Like a penis. Oh, that's nice.
That would kill you in about 10 minutes. You don't need to add more.
You can just top it up if you feel like
Please, people, responsible drinking.
Oh, yeah, don't... No, it's okay. Don't drink and drive. Don't mind children.
Don't put 3/4 of a bottle of vodka in a glass.
Yeah, but I made 3 glasses. Yeah. Oh, look, that's the best cocktail. See, you don't have to go to all those fancy bits. It's
Anyway,
fantastic.
this is Tom's version of a frozen watermelon martini. Margarita. Mojito, whatever you want to call it.
It's just vodka. And what's that again? Watermelon. Yeah. If you drink it, you will not know what you're eating or drinking. Bye.
As you can tell. Bye!